Hi, I'm Liviu. I'm the Director of Operations of UAC Airport Location. We are one-stop shop in aerospace industry, from casting, extrusion, machining, surface treatment and assembly and delivery to the customers. We start operating here in 2021 and our facility has around 80,000 square meters. We are operating extrusion from different alloy types, titanium and other exotic alloys like steel. We have a large variety of products and we are keep growing and diversifying our production. In 2021 we started with the first CNCs, and since then we had one of the biggest transfer of works, more than 3,000 part numbers made just in this place. Thank you.